Unveiling the truth behind expensive batteries, a tale of cheap tricks. In a world where planned obsolescence fuels an endless cycle of consumerism, the real power lies in the hands of companies that control electronics and software. We've all encountered the big names in this game, from automotive giants to smartphone developers, each with their own strategies. But today, we shine a light on a lesser-known player, Milwaukee, a power tool manufacturer, and their controversial battery practices, the Great Battery Balancing Act. Fact or fiction? Tool Scientist, a renowned expert, has exposed Milwaukee's subpar battery packs, claiming they wear out prematurely. But here's where it gets controversial. These batteries seem to lack a crucial feature: cell balancing. Typically, microcontrollers manage this process, but Tool Scientist tests suggest otherwise. Through a series of experiments, including monitoring I2C communications and measuring voltage drops, Tool Scientist concluded that Milwaukee's batteries don't self-balance. The imbalance persisted even after 21 days of charging and multiple charge-discharge cycles. The motive behind the madness: giving Milwaukee the benefit of the doubt. One might argue that balancing isn't necessary for most users. However, in a world where subscription services and value extraction are the norm, it's hard not to suspect a hidden agenda. Milwaukee's actions align with this narrative, as they've made user servicing difficult, similar to Nissan Leaf's passive thermal management system. So, is Milwaukee's decision a calculated move to increase battery sales, or is it a case of corporate laziness? The answer remains unclear, but one thing is certain: consumers deserve better. What are your thoughts on this matter? Do you think companies should prioritize long-term sustainability over short-term profits? We'd love to hear your opinions in the comments below.